Seeing Change My Settings in Siri search usually points to a hiccup in how Siri is set up on your iPhone. Common culprits include software bugs after iOS updates like iOS 18, incomplete downloads of Apple Intelligence, regional restrictions, mismatched language settings, or connectivity issues affecting Siri's access to Apple's servers. This prompt means Siri needs you to manually tweak settings to function properly. Don't worry, we'll walk through how to fix it. To fix the Change My Settings error, start by ensuring Siri is enabled in your iPhone settings. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then scroll down and tap on Apple Intelligence and Siri or Siri and Search on older iOS versions. Make sure Talk and Type to Siri or Listen for Hey Siri is toggled on. If it's off, Siri can't listen or respond, which causes the prompt. Siri might be misunderstanding you. Go to Settings, then Apple Intelligence and Siri, and turn Listen for Hey Siri off, then turn it back on. Your iPhone will prompt you to retrain Siri to recognize your voice. Follow the on-screen instructions, repeating the voice commands clearly. This updates Siri's voice model and resolves errors caused by misrecognized commands. Fix 3 involves resetting Siri and Apple Intelligence to resolve corrupted settings. This acts like a reboot for Siri. First, open Settings and go to Siri and Search. This is where you control Siri's activation methods. Disable both Listen for Hey Siri and press Side button for Siri to temporarily turn off Siri activation. Wait 10 to 15 seconds. This pause allows the system to clear any conflicting configurations. Now re-enable both Listen for Hey Siri and press Side button for Siri to restart Siri with fresh settings. The reset is now complete. This should resolve the Change My Settings error by refreshing Siri's underlying configurations. Mismatched language settings can confuse Siri. Go to Settings, General, Language and Region. Ensure the selected language matches the language you use with Siri, found in Settings, Siri, Language. If they differ, change the Siri language to match and restart your iPhone. This aligns Siri with your system settings, preventing confusion. Siri requires specific permissions to function properly. Start by navigating to your iPhone's Settings app, then tap Privacy and Security to access data access controls. Within Privacy and Security, ensure location services and search permissions are enabled. This allows Siri to access location data and perform searches across your device. Scroll to find Siri and Search settings. Here, you can enable or disable app-specific access, ensuring Siri can learn from and search within your apps. If available, clear your Siri and Search history within these settings. This removes old data and resets Siri's learning, which can resolve access issues triggering the prompt. Don't underestimate the power of a restart. Press and hold either volume button and the side button until the power-off slider appears. Drag the slider to turn off your iPhone. After the screen goes black, press and hold the side button again until the Apple logo appears. Also, toggle airplane mode on and off to refresh your network connection. These steps resolve transient glitches and ensure Siri has a stable internet connection. If you're using a newer iPhone with Apple Intelligence, the Change My Settings prompt might be related to an incomplete download or regional restrictions. Ensure Apple Intelligence is fully downloaded in your settings. If you are in a country where Apple Intelligence recently launched, connectivity issues might be the culprit. Try connecting to a stable Wi-Fi network or enabling airplane mode briefly to reset the connection. If the problem persists, it might be a bug that Apple needs to address in a future update.